Okay.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
No energy. Okay, can you please repeat? Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so how's your day today? Good? Why? Good. Can you say something why it's good? Oh, very good. Why your day today is good?
The weather is good.
Ay, well done. Yes, Gazala. Why your day is good? Tell me.
Because I'm happy today.
Why?
My mom made me my favorite breakfast.
Oh my God! I wish you did you bring something for us?
No.
Okay, next time please bring for us,
Sure.
okay? Why your day is good, Catherine?
I'm happy today because I sleep well.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. And before we begin, I want everybody to please stand up. Okay? So I want you all to, before as always, we always have rules to follow, right? So I want you to follow the steps.
Follow the rules.
Okay, again. Ready?
I can follow the
Everybody follow the steps?
I can follow the rules. I can have a good day. And we follow the rules.
Move your body. Very good.
I can listen to my teacher. Listen to my teacher. Listen to my teacher. And I follow the rules.
Good job. Have a seat, everyone. Are you ready for the new lesson?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I need more energy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, good job. But before that, may I ask you, okay, so last week we have learned something about living and non-living, isn't it? Do you remember?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, now, for 1 minute, for 30 seconds, can you please bring me one living thing that you can find in the classroom? 30 seconds, go. Living thing. What is the a donkey? Good job. Okay. And a living thing, please. Living thing. We have learned it last week. What is this, Catherine? Wow, good job. Is this a living thing? Okay, good job. One non-living thing, Gazala. Can you find me one non-living thing?
And the plant?
Non-living thing.
Oh, non-living.
Yeah.
Table.
Tables, good job. Smart kid. One non-living thing. Paper. Okay, good job. Thank you so much, kids. And for today's topic, as you notice, I have here a plant. Okay? So for today's objective, we will be learning what? Can you tell me? I can name the different parts of the plant. And also I can tell the uses of the plant parts. Okay, are you ready to learn them? Are you ready, kids?
Yes.
Do you want to plant?
Yes.
Okay, because at the end of the month, we're going to go outside. Are you excited? Yay! Good job. Okay, but before that, we are going to learn its uses. Okay? Now, plants. What do you notice about these? What do you see? Good job. What color is the flower? Is there pink only? Can you check? Thank you, Ronya. What do you notice?
One white is also there.
There's
white
white
flower.
color. Do you like color white?
Yes, it's my favorite color.
Oh, how about you?
We have green leaves.
There's green leaves. Okay, good observation. And
Also
Catherine,
green leaves.
there's also green leaves. Now, I have here another plant. Okay, what do you see? What do you observe with this plant? Are they the same?
No.
Now, what do you see? Who can tell me?
It's big and small.
Big and small. Can you tell me which one is big? Marwa?
This one is big.
And this one is small. Okay, there's another word that we can introduce to big and small. What is that other word?
So
Tall and short. Okay, Catherine, can you please stand up? Can you please come forward? Okay, and Gazala, please come forward. Okay, now, who do you think is tall? Gazala. And who do you think is short? Okay, can you hold this? So which one do you think is this plant? Catherine or Gazala?
Catherine.
Catherine, and Gazala is tall. Very good. Thank you so much, children. You can now go back to your seats. And as you notice, okay, plants are around us. So they're tall and some are short, as you can see. Okay? Now, some plants are tall and some plants are small. Now, how do you know that plants are tall? Look at the picture. How do you know that plants are tall? Can we reach long? Sometimes can we reach leaves of the plants that are tall? Can we reach it? Some of the plants that are tall cannot be, leaves can be reached, and short can be simply, okay, pick like that. Okay, thank you so much. Now, I want you all to raise your hand up, right hand. So I want you to follow after me. Okay, let's write tall in the air. Are you ready? Say the letter as you trace it in the air. Are you ready? Okay, good job. Say T, A. Oh, Gazala, can you follow me? Again. A. Good job. What's next? L. And L. What's the word? Tall. Okay, how about small? Again, raise your hand. Good job, Catherine. Say S. Snake. Next, what letter is that? S. Okay, next. M. A. L. L. Say the word. Small. Good job. I will be asking your teacher in English about these two words, okay? So we have tall and small. Okay, good job. Now, so I have here the different parts of the plant, okay? As you can see, who can identify, or do you know, do you have any idea which one is which? The roots, do you have any idea? No?
Tomato.
Is it a tomato? Okay. Now, okay, is it a tomato? Okay, so now, before showing it, okay, the plant parts, I want you to watch and sing.
Make them grow and
Okay,
grow.
everybody stand up. Let's follow.
Do you know the
Parts of the plant.
The parts of the plant, the parts of the plant. Do you know the parts of the plant that make them grow and grow? The roots of the plant grow underground, underground, underground. The roots of the plant grow underground. Roots are part of the plant. The stems of the plant hold up the leaves, hold up the leaves, hold up the leaves. The stems of the plant hold up the leaves. Stems are part of the plant.
What's next?
The leaves of the
Leaves,
plant
look at
are
that,
making
leaves.
food, making food, making food. The leaves of the plant are making food. Leaves are part of the plant. The flowers of the plant are growing
Show your hands.
seeds, growing seeds, growing seeds. The flowers of the plant are growing seeds. Seeds are part of the plant. The sun helps the plant
Sun.
to grow up tall, grow up tall, grow up tall. The sun helps the plant to grow up tall. Sunlight helps the plant. The water helps the plant to
Water,
grow up
water,
strong.
sprinkle.
Grow up strong, grow up strong. The water helps the plant to grow up strong. Water helps the plant. Now you know the parts of the plant, the parts of the plant, the parts of the plant. Now you know the parts of the plant that make them grow and grow.
Okay, have a seat, kids. Thank you so much. That was well done. And now, I want you to identify, after watching the video, I want you to identify which one is the roots. Okay? In that video, what action did you do when they said roots? Okay, so where can we find the roots? Underground. Okay, good job. Good job, Ronya. Okay, how about the stem? Can you identify where the stem is? Can you check? Where do you think the stem is? Okay, what is the uses or what does stem do in plant? Based on the video. What does it do?
I don't remember.
Oh, can you help Ronya? Gazala Kanata doesn't remember. So what does a stem do in a plant?
And the leaves?
It holds the leaves. Good job. Okay, now, how about, let's check. My good job. How about the leaves? Can you identify where the leaves are? Okay, good job. On that video, what does leaves do? Do you remember? Grow. In order to grow, what does a plant need? Food. Good job. Food. Everybody say food. Do you have food right now? Did you eat food this morning?
Yes.
Okay, what did you eat today?
Sandwich.
Okay, so why did you eat? So that you will grow like a plant. Good job, Runya. Okay, now, this in the next, where can we find fruit? Do we have fruit here? Can we find any fruit? No, but do you think some plants have fruit? Yes or no? What's your favorite fruit? Marble. Strawberry. What's your favorite fruit?
Apple.
Apple. Do you have apples? Okay. Okay, what's your favorite fruit, Gazala? Mango. I like mango too. Yes, Runya. Grapes. Do you have grapes in your fruit bag? Oh, okay. Next time you have to tell your mom to bring grapes, okay? That's healthy for you. Okay, next. Okay, so we have here fruits and flowers. Okay, flowers. Can you find flowers in this plant? Oh, Catherine. Oh, how many flowers can you see? I will check your math teacher. How many flowers can you find in this?
1, 2.
Good job. One to where?
2.
Two. Good job. I think one doesn't still bloom yet. Okay, now what's the color of those flowers?
White and pink.
White and pink. You mentioned a while ago, white is your favorite color. Okay, good job. Now, for your first task, okay, I want you to work with your pair. Okay, so I have here identifying plant parts. Okay, one of you will cut and one of you will stick or paste in the picture. Am I clear? What we will do, Marwa and Catherine? One will
Cut.
and one will stick. Okay, good job. So I will give you 5 minutes or 10 minutes for this activity, and after that, you will present it in class. Okay? Now, can you please move your chair here and work with Gazala and Ronya, and then here, work with Catherine and Marwa. Your time starts now. Assign who will cut and who will stick. Okay.
We need a
Scissors. Okay, sorry Marwa, I have it for you. Okay, who's good in cutting? Cutting skills. You're good in cutting skills? Okay. Can you paste it well, Marwa? Can you paste it well?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, that's your task for today. Okay, good job, kids. You can also tell me while you're pasting, you tell me what does this part do in the plant, okay? Oh, you mentioned root. What does root do? Gazala? Yes. What do you think?
Holds the plant.
Oh, it holds the plant. Very good. How about the fruit? Did you put fruit? Oh, not yet. Good job. Good job. Carry on. Now, how about you? Flower. What does flower do in our plant? Is it important, Marwa? Why?
Because if we want to plant a fruit or something, it will come out of the.
Very good. That's a good idea. Good job. Okay. Okay, last 3 minutes, everyone. Okay, let's wrap up this up. This thing. Oh, wow. Okay. Now, you tell me. Flower, what does flower do in a plant? What does it do? Flower is beautiful, very good. It's colorful, right? It brightens our day. Do you like plants, Runya?
Yes.
Okay, do you have plants at home? Very good. So flowers are beautiful. Yes. Gazala, how about the leaf? What does leaf do? What does leaf do? Oh, they make food for the plant. But in the video, there's a certain thing that helps these leaves make its food. What is that? The sun. Very good. Okay, how about the stem? What does it do? What does it do?
We're done.
Oh, you're done. Okay. Okay, just discuss with your partner and I will get back to you. Okay. Okay, now everyone, thank you so much for a job well done. And who will present in front? Okay, does any one of you wants to present your activity for today? And that will give you 5 stars. Do you like 5 stars? Golden stars.
Chocolate.
A chocolate? Okay, next week. Okay, I will.
After chocolate.
5-star chocolate?
I thought you would give us
5-star chocolate. Oh. Oh, okay. Thank you. We have a brave new summer words. Okay, thank you so much for the sponsorship. Okay, now who will represent the team? Catherine. Okay, I like Catherine. Catherine is so behave in my class. You will get a reward. Okay, go Catherine. Okay, Runya, move your chair please. Let's go, Catherine. Is in front. This is.
This is the parts of plants.
Good job.
We have flowers and fruits and root, stem and leaf.
Okay. What does root do?
It has to grow and
It gets what? Underground. It doesn't get from there.
water.
Good job. And then, how about the stem? What does the stem do? Oh, Marwa, can you help your partner? What does the stem do?
It makes it maybe straight and stays in the place so the leaves will be.
Grow well. Very good. Good job. And last, how about the fruit? What does fruit do? What's the function?
It will be
It will. It's a food also for us. Aside from that, it produce what? That's also a very important thing. Seeds. Okay. Once the seed grows, it will become another plant. Thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause for Catherine. Catherine, 1 chocolate for you, courtesy of our sponsor for today. Okay, next. For the next presenter, okay, who is confident enough to be staying in front and talk about?
Runya.
Runya? Okay, Runya. Okay, please come forward, Runya.
This is the root of this plant.
Mm-hmm.
Helps the plant to stay in the soil, and it takes water from the soil.
Okay.
This is the stem of this plant.
Okay.
It helps the plant to stand
Okay.
straight.
Good job.
This is the leaf of this plant. And it makes food for the plant. This is the flower. This is the
Okay, thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause for Runya and Gazala. Here's one for you, courtesy of our sponsor again. Okay, sponsor. Okay, so thank you so much. Did you learn something today?
Yes.
Sure? Okay, good job. So, I think, yes. See, you are very smart. Okay, stem holds the leaves and flowers. And then we have here the leaf makes food for the plant. So how about you? If you did not eat for 1 full day, how do you feel?
Tired.
You're tired. What else?
hungry.
Hungry. scared. So what will happen if this plant, okay, doesn't have enough water and sunlight? What do you think? Because they're making food.
They died.
They will die. Okay, do you want this plant to die?
No.
So what we should do? Water. Is water enough? Is water enough? And sunlight. Good job, everyone. So, for today's, okay, do we still have time? Okay, so thank you so much, children, and see you tomorrow, and make sure, don't forget our lesson, okay? Okay, don't forget the 2 words in English that you mentioned a while ago. Tall and small. Good job. Thank you so much. See you next week.